Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you remove your frequently used emojis on iPhone. So to remove your frequently used emojis on iPhone, you need to reset your keyboard dictionary. So to do that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll here and go to general. Again scroll here and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Now in the bottom click on reset and here you can see reset keyboard dictionary. Click on it. Now you need to give your phone passcode. And after giving your phone passcode, here you can see the red reset dictionary, and by clicking reset dictionary you can just remove your frequently used emojis on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can remove frequently used emojis on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.